Hi everyone, welcome back to Tales of Strength. Today, I want to tell you about a man whose mind never stopped, never rested, never found peace. Day and night, thoughts raced through his head. Worries, fears, regrets, what-ifs. His mind was his prison, and he was trapped inside it. He tried everything to quiet it, but nothing worked. Until one day, he met someone who taught him a truth that saved his life. If your mind never stops racing, this story might save yours too. His name was Lucas. He was 36 years old, successful on the outside, destroyed on the inside. Lucas had a good job, a nice house, everything looked perfect. But inside his mind, chaos, complete chaos. Every morning, Lucas woke up anxious. His mind immediately flooded with thoughts. What if I fail? What if people judge me? What if something goes wrong? During work, Lucas couldn't focus. His mind jumped from worry to worry. At night, Lucas couldn't sleep. His mind replayed every mistake, every embarrassing moment, every possible disaster. Lucas was exhausted, not from work, but from his own mind. He tried meditation apps, self-help books, therapy. Nothing worked. His mind kept racing, faster and faster, until Lucas felt like he was losing control. One day, Lucas broke down. He sat in his car and cried, "I can't do this anymore. My mind is killing me." That weekend, Lucas visited his uncle, a monk named Brother Matthew who lived in a small monastery. Lucas hadn't seen him in years, but he was desperate. Matthew looked at Lucas and immediately knew. "Your mind is out of control, isn't it?" Lucas nodded, tears in his eyes. "I can't stop thinking. My mind never rests. I'm going insane." Matthew smiled gently. "You're not going insane. You just forgot how to control your mind." Lucas was confused. Matthew said, "Come, let me show you something." They walked to a pond. The water was moving. Waves, ripples, chaos. Matthew said, "Look at the water. It's moving, disturbed, just like your mind." Lucas watched. Then Matthew said, "Now stop moving. Stop thinking. Just watch." They stood in silence. Minutes passed. Slowly, the water calmed. The ripples faded. The pond became still, clear, peaceful. Matthew said, "Your mind is like this water. The more you disturb it, the more chaotic it becomes. But when you stop, when you're still, it calms itself." Lucas felt something click inside him. Matthew continued, "You can't force your mind to be quiet, but you can stop feeding it chaos. Every time you worry about the future, you disturb the water. Every time you replay the past, you create waves. Every time you fight your thoughts, you make it worse." Lucas asked, "So what do I do?" Matthew replied, "You learn to observe, not control, not fight, just observe. Your thoughts will come. Let them. Don't grab them. Don't push them away. Just watch them pass. Like clouds in the sky, they come, they go. You remain." Lucas didn't fully understand, but he wanted to try. That night, Lucas sat quietly. His mind immediately started racing. "This won't work. You're wasting time. You're broken." Old Lucas would have fought these thoughts, tried to stop them, but Lucas remembered Matthew's words. Just observe. So Lucas watched his thoughts, like clouds. They came, they screamed, they demanded attention, but Lucas didn't grab them. He just watched. Minutes passed. The thoughts slowed, not because Lucas fought them, but because he stopped feeding them. For the first time in years, Lucas felt a moment of peace. It was brief, but it was real. Days turned into weeks. Lucas practiced every day, morning and night, just sitting, just observing. Some days were hard. His mind screamed louder than ever, but Lucas didn't give up. He kept watching, kept observing, kept letting thoughts pass, and slowly something miraculous happened. Lucas's mind calmed, not completely, but significantly. He slept better, focused better, felt lighter. The thoughts still came, but they didn't control him anymore. 1 month later, Lucas returned to Matthew. Lucas said, Uncle Matthew, my life changed. My mind is still active. But I'm not trapped anymore. Matthew smiled. That's because you learned the secret. You can't stop thoughts, but you can stop being their prisoner. Lucas nodded. I spent years trying to fight my mind, but the answer was to stop fighting. Matthew replied, exactly. A racing mind is not the enemy. Believing every thought is. Your mind will always create thoughts. That's its job. But you don't have to believe them all. You don't have to react to them all. You can just observe and choose which ones deserve your attention. Lucas felt grateful. For the first time, he understood. So if your mind never stops racing, listen carefully. You're not broken. You're just feeding chaos. Stop fighting your thoughts. Stop trying to control your mind. Just observe. Just watch. Just let thoughts pass. Your mind will race. Let it. Don't engage. Don't fight. Just breathe. Sit in silence every day. Even for 5 minutes. Watch your thoughts come and go. Like clouds. Like waves. You are not your thoughts. You are the one watching them. When you understand this, everything changes. Your mind will still create thoughts, but you won't be their prisoner. You'll find peace, not by silencing your mind, but by no longer believing everything it says. A calm mind is not a mind without thoughts. It's a mind that doesn't react to every thought. Start today. Sit, breathe, observe, and watch your racing mind finally find peace. Thank you for watching Tales of Strength. If this saved you, share it. See you in the next one.